per 3.
Oh, the reason why I say part one, part two, those are old stuff. That's just for our reference. But so the thing that is not in a folder, the base card scripts, that's the one you need to download. Only one of them, the last bit.
Okay. So which one are we doing?
Race card scripts.
This car scripts. Okay. Do I download that?
Yeah, download that. Okay, it's 24 more days to my birthday. Okay, let me know when you're ready.
Okay. So do I just make a new project? Do I just make a new project? Hello?
One moment. Hold on a minute.
Okay. Is it 2D?
Can you share your screen?
Okay.
No, no. Open up your old project, the project we were working on.
Oh, okay. Why is it not opening? So what do I do now?
Just leave your thing open. Just drag in the package.
What? Do I just...
Okay, it looks like you have a problem. So it says car selection is already.
What?
Can you click the car selection that's on the there? Yeah, that one. Click on it.
This?
Yeah, I just want to see it. Yeah, can you delete this one? Right click and delete.
What?
Yeah, delete this one because we already have the one you just downloaded.
Yeah.
That one already has all the parts that you need. So this one you don't need it. So delete this one.
So I just delete this.
Yeah, delete it.
Okay.
Okay. So there's another one called Game Info. Can you delete this one, Game Info too? Yeah,
What?
everything's in scripts. Yes. Actually, can you delete? Yeah, just delete Game Info script. It's right there. It's in the yeah Game Info.
Game. This? Do I delete that too? Okay.
Okay. All right. Looks like that's everything. Okay. So let's see. Can you click on your game manager on your your hierarchy?
My
Game manager.
game manager. Yeah.
Okay, so there we have some issues. So let's let's click on the little circle for the script. It says missing monoscript, and then there's a circle right next to it. And look for let's see, look for game info. Game info. So you can type it
Game
inside
info.
with a G. Game.
This one. I
Yeah,
found
yeah.
it.
Yes, select it. Double click it. Okay. Now scroll down on your inspector.
Um.
Okay, everything looks good so far. Okay, so we need to just fill in the blanks right now. So let's let's click and drag our stuff. So click on the little circle next to um wait wait. Can you scroll up just a bit? Okay, so yeah, there you go. This one that says offline scene and online scene. Do you see that? And it says none and then none.
Yeah.
Yeah, the circle.
Which circle?
The offline one. Yeah, and then look for title. Title.
Title.
TIT. You can just type it. Type on the search. Yeah, title screen. Yeah, double click it. Okay. And then go to on the online scene. Click the little circle, and then look for lobby. Do you not have a lobby?
I don't think so.
Okay, we gotta make a lobby. Mm. Can you go to your scenes? Maybe you called it something else. Close it,
Okay. Where? Oh, like this.
and then click. Double click on scenes folder on the assets folder. On the assets folder. Yeah. Okay. Can you double click on sample scene? Just save. Yeah. Just save. Mm. Okay. It looks like you don't have a lobby scene. Uh, that's one big thing you can make. Uh, 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 go to the Google Drive again. I'm going to share with you a
Google Drive.
drive here.
Oh. Okay.
Yeah, go to the Google Drive and then refresh it. So it's gonna be called something called .scene, lobby.scene. You can download it and then
Mm.
click.
Do I just put in here? What?
Yeah, let it go. Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Now double click on lobby scene and see what it does. Oh, perfect. Okay, so good. It's that's partly done for you. Okay, so you just have to fix the sizing and everything. Okay, perfect. Okay, can you go back to your title scene? Go to assets, so one folder up. You have your title scene outside. Yeah, assets. Yeah, and then click and drag your title scene into scene, so you can have all the scenes in one folder. Scroll down just a bit. It's the last thing. It's called the title screen. Yeah, that
Yeah.
one. Click and drag it into the scenes folder. Uh-huh. Okay, perfect. All right. Now, double click on your title screen so you can go back to your title screen.
Um,
Okay, perfect. Now click on Game Manager.
Game manager.
It's on the hierarchy. Yeah.
Oh,
And scroll down just a bit. It's fine. Let's do that. So now just okay. Scroll up a bit. Okay, so we're gonna continue where we left off. So go to offline again. Then just press the little circle.
where was that?
A little bit high. Yeah. Okay.
Oh,
So then look for title scene. Okay. The next one, look for lobby scene. Lobby. Okay. Scroll down. And then look for room scene. It's a little lower. It says none and none again. Here it's none scene. Uh, yeah, that one. Room scene. Yeah, and look for lobby. And then finally game scene. Yeah, track one. Okay. Uh, now go back to your assets folder. Your main assets.
um,
Go up. Yeah. And what we want to do is uh, let's scroll down just a bit on your assets. Okay. So you see the thing that's called room player. You need to click and drag that into your inspector.
you mean room manager? Oh wait, never mind. Into which one?
Into the inspector on the room manager extension.
Right here?
No. On the right side.
Where?
Down, all the way down.
Where?
Keep going down. Right there. It's right above lobby scene. It says room player prefab.
Um,
Go up just a bit. There. Okay, good. And that's it, I think. Yeah, that should be it. Actually, can you hold on. Here, let's go. Can you click on room player?
um, yeah.
Uh, so that's it. Yeah.
Okay.
I see so. Okay. Press like.
Okay.
Okay. Just enter a name quickly and just press join. You have some errors too.
It's so orange. Oh wait, it's not changing.
Yeah. Stop playing. Go to your canvas.
My canvas?
Canvas is in your hierarchy. Drop it, open it up. The little triangle or the arrow that's pointing to the right, the canvas. No, no, on the height. Yeah. Mm, Uh, go to image. Scroll down on the. Click the little circle.
Okay.
Okay, and then look for card selection.
Car selection. Um,
Type in card selection.
this one.
Oh. Okay. So now click and drag your drop down from the canvas into. Oh, you don't have it. Ah, I need to edit a lot of stuff. Ah, okay. Okay. Can you open up your script, the card selection? Edit your script.
Uh, this one.
Edit. Yeah. Edit. Okay. You know what? Can you just use my project for a bit? Well, because it it requires a lot of help, like a lot. It's like 10 minutes
Huh?
or 20 minutes already in the class. Here, just use my project. I'm gonna go back to Google Drive. I just make a new project for now. I just use this one, and then at
Okay.
the end of the class, I'll help you fix all your problems. Like
So
the
I just make a new one. Okay then.
Okay, so if you go to Google Drive and download the newest one, make sure you refresh the page. Okay, so for everyone else, well, because Benjamin is going to catch up with the task, he has all the files. For everyone else, so let's continue with the scripts. So
So what do I do?
all you have to do is just download and just click and drag your stuff. So refresh your Google Drive.
Which one? Yeah. I'll just refresh it.
Yeah, download the new stuff.
Okay.
Yeah, download that one. Just click and drag it inside. You basically. Okay. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna update the last part of the script, and then we should be able to make this game multiplayer. But it's gonna be only against us. I guess local local host because it's being hosted on our computer. So let's open up the other scene. Let me get that. And let's open up our scene, our lobby scene. And let's finish this up. And in our lobby scene, let's make sure we have this kind of convention. So open up your lobby scene and make sure you have where you say ready for players. Make sure you have each of the four players under one thing called lobby. And then so each player is the parent, and that parent is going to have four other objects. Okay, these four objects are going to be one, the image. Well, not this, but this is my this is the background. Um, but yeah, okay, yeah. So here we have an image. So I'll help you out between between them. But you should have your player name, which is the actual text. The image ready. So this one I just disabled it, but it should look something like this. So if it's ready or not ready. And then finally we have the image. So this is the newest part we added last time, where this is going to display the image of the car. So what car you selected. Okay. So make sure you have these three things under player one. If you have a background, you can just leave it here on the image. Okay. It's the loading now. You can just click and drag your stuff. That's fine. You can click. You can start your stuff, Benjamin. Uh,
Hmm?
your thing is done downloading.
Oh, put it in there.
Okay. Let's import everything.
That's a lot of stuff.
That's what you had to do. But, okay. So does anyone else have any questions about this? Um, okay. So once you have this, this structure, again, you have player name, text, and image under each player. What you want to do is let's go back to the script called player info, and we're going to now start hooking everything up. So open up game info, the player info, sorry.
Right, so important.
Okay, for this one, I'll let you guys copy and paste this one too, this code. But let me just go through it quickly. Oh, actually, let me just put it on there. So this is player info. Let me put it on the Google Drive.
Mm-hmm.
So you don't have to do this, Benjamin, because you already have this code. Okay. So you guys can go to the Google Drive. Here, let me post the link. You guys go to the Google Drive and just copy the code from there. It's on a Google Doc, so just open it up and you guys can copy it. Again, Benjamin, you don't have to do this. You already have it.
Oh, okay.
But I would like you to still pay attention to what's going on inside the script. So, so in this script, we have um, we have this information. We have our cars and our bikes. So what this is just the pictures. So when we join the game, we know what to display. In this case, what cars to display and what bikes to display. Then we have these hooks. So this is the stuff we went through yesterday. We have player name and are we ready? I also made another one called selection and bike selection. These ones again is just for to keep track of what we've chosen. Okay, and an important thing remember sync variable. Sync variable is very important in what's it called an online multiplayer. Reason why because it synchronizes a variable, so it tells everyone what is the value. Okay, because imagine this. Let's say we're like all like playing against each other, right? Now let's say only one person, or let's just say I have an idea, or I say something, right? But I don't have my mic on. So do you guys know what's going on? No, right? Because you guys don't know what I said. That's exactly what's going on here when I don't have a sync variable. If I have a sync variable, then I tell everyone what's my idea. If I don't have this on, then my mic is muted. Basically, I know what's going on, but does everyone else know what's going on? No. So that's why sync variables are very important. Okay, and then we have this hook, and what this hook does is it tells it, okay, when you change value, please do this. In this case, it does four different things, and this one does handle display name, handle ready change, and so on and so forth. So it's like literally down here to define what is it going to do. So when it changes the value, it's going to go to this function called update display. So all of them go to update display because update display goes to everyone and says, hey, this is the new value. Hey, you, this is the new value. Hey, you, this is the new value. So it tells every person that's connected to the game, saying, okay, these are the names now. These are the information. Okay. Inside the update display, so this is the thing I just said about updating the information. Now the part that you need to work on, or we were supposed to work on, are this part is the room slots. So each room slot is basically each player. So it goes through each player and says, okay, that player, give me your player name. Okay, and then you store it in a variable called username, and then you set that text into username. So here's the part where you guys need to change. If you don't have a background like I do, so if you take a look here, see how I have player one image, player name, and ready text and then image. So here is remember when you count in programming, we start at zero. So this is zero, one, two, three. Okay. So zero, we don't want to do it zero because it's just an image and we don't care about it. The one we do care about is one because it says waiting for player, and this should actually change the player name. Two, this one is not ready, ready, so this one should change. So yes, we should care about it. And finally, three, which is the image, the picture of the car. So we care about one, two, and three. Now, if you don't have an image, then it becomes zero, one, and two. Okay, so make sure you remember that. You remember that because you need to change it here. So here I have my text mesh pro here on one, and then my other thing on two, the ready. So here I change it to username, and then I do my ready. So here I ask, okay, are you ready? If it is ready, I'm going to change it to green, and then I'm going to change the text to red. If he's not ready, then I'm going to change it to red, and then say not ready. Okay, very simple. And then finally, I ask, okay, are you a bike? If it is a bike, then get the pictures from the bike. If you're not a bike, then get the pictures from the car. Okay, so very simple if statement. And then here, all we do is we access the information, the selection. So what car did you choose? Car choose selection zero, selection one, and so on and so forth. And that will get you to the correct bike. Okay. So that's the update display. So basically, I'm telling everyone, okay, this is your new fixture, and then that's the fixture they have. Okay. And then we go down here. These are all networking things. So on start authority, basically the game starts for you. This is what's going to happen. All we're doing is just grabbing the information we stored in the other.
Wait, so I don't have to do this?
No, you don't have. I already have. You already have this.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so like I said, so here you store all the information, and then these ones are another important part, commands. So these commands, what happens is you if you want to change something, for example, you can change something on yourself, right? But let's just say you change the speed of your car. That's fine. Your car would be going this fast. But if you want this information to display to someone else, you can't tell everyone else what to do because that's not how a server and client work. A server and client, remember, client is doing only the stuff that is in like the rule, kind of like the the defined rules. So the server says, okay, you can't go this fast because your speed is this. You can't jump here because there is no wall here, and so on and so forth. So the server keeps track of all this stuff. But if you want to update something and say, hey, server, I want to update my name, or I want to do this, or I'm going to change this. So here to do that, you need to say command to have this bracket command and have this in front of your function name. It's called CMD. It's command. So here, this command car selection, uh, this one you're bringing in an integer selection and then a bike. And then what you do is you tell, hey, server, please update my bike selection to this. And then selection updated to this. So now this information gets updated in the server and it tells everyone, hey, these are new values. Same thing with display name, the readying up. Yeah, those are the three commands we are currently using. Okay. And then finally, these ones are more on the server side, or not server side. These are connections. So when you enter the room, you look for a button called ready, and then a button called back. We have to do this dynamically. We can't. So you guys know how here on the buttons we can like here on the buttons we have an on click. So with this on click, it's when you join, it's really hard to hard code that because you're not technically there and the button doesn't exist. So when you join, you are going to ask, hey, is there something called back button around here? And it's like, yeah, it's right here. Okay, so then you make that button yours and say, okay, this is going to be your new command. In this case, here, this button, for example, back button, I add a listener. So on click, so when I click the button, I'm going to add a listener. Basically, what's going to happen, and it's going to call the function called disconnect me. Okay. Same thing with ready. Ready is going to call ready up. Okay. Then we have our function stop client, disconnect me. Again, that's just disconnect you. Um, and then we have ready up. So when you press the check mark, you're going to tell the server, hey, server, I'm ready, and you display that you think that it's okay. So that is it for this part. This ready up, I think we're not even using it. I think that we had it, but I don't think it, but I'll just leave it there just in case. Um, but yeah. Yeah, so that's that is the whole player info. I know that's a lot of information, but the thing that I want you guys to get out of this is that um, client versus server. So remember, a client, which is you cannot do the changes to everyone. So you can't tell, let's just say, you can't tell me, my computer, what to do. You have to tell the server, hey server, can you do this? And then the server will approve it and say, okay, no problem. And then the server will tell everyone, okay, do it. Okay, that's kind of like the main picture I want you guys to kind of get out of this player info. Okay. Um, does anyone have any questions about that? Okay. So like I said, this script is on the Google Drive, so I suggest you going to the Google Drive and just copy paste it. Um, and then yeah, well, I'll show you how it works. So how it works, go to your scene and make sure you have title scene selected. Okay? So go to your scene and then look for title scene. Okay. So once you're in your title scene, all you have to do is just press play. Okay. And when you press play here, you can do a username. So let's just say yes. All right. here, remember I can select the bike or select the color of the bike. Uh, pardon, and then click next. And then here I have an option to host or connect to. Of course, since I'm player one, I want to be host, so I just click on host. And now I have this. I have my bike being updated. I have my name being updated here, and then not red. By default, I should not be red, right? So here, the button ready. So I can click on the button ready, and then here you see now it turns green. So I mean I'm now ready. I can press cancel, and it says not ready. Okay, so this should work off the bat. All you have to do is just make sure you do the right. Remember the part I told you, the 0 and 1 part here on the info. So get child 0, get child 1. In my case, it's 1 and 2. But if you don't have that picture, then it's 0 and 1. And yeah, that's how it works. And then here, what you can do is you can actually do a single player for now. So if you go to the game manager and then change the minimum amount of players, just take it to one, and then you can play with yourself. So next, host, and just get ready, and then there you go. And you're back on your game, and then now you're just playing game normally. Now, the only problem we do have is that the picture is not updated with the correct color. So let's just say you chose a blue color. So your car is still orange or whatever color you chose, because that's your default. We haven't done that yet, and we're going to do that in the next step. So yeah, try to get your game to work like this. You host your own lobby and you play with yourself. Let me know if you have any questions.
Fernando, I don't know if mine opens up the lobby yet after, after I click all the stuff.
Okay, let's take a look. Can you share screen?
Yeah. Wait, let me just check. I haven't checked, but I don't remember it working yesterday. Oh no, it does. Cool. Yeah, it works. Never mind.
So you can go in your game.
Yeah, I can't go in the game, but I can just go to the lobby.
Okay. And does the lobby update with the name of the player and then the status and stuff like that?
I don't think so. No, it doesn't. It doesn't show. It doesn't show that.
Okay. Do you want to share screen? I can help you out with that.
Yeah, okay. Okay, so and then if I click host, it comes here, but then I can't really do anything from here.
Okay. Yeah, because it's telling you there's errors. Okay, so stop playing. Let's click on one of the. Oh, yeah. Go to the console and click on one of the errors. Yeah, what's that? Click on that. Click on the game manager. What's not? Oh, your things are not correct.
Is it this?
No, it's up close. It's these things. Yeah. Here.
Oh, okay. Wow.
Yeah. And I remember, do you have TMP? I don't think you have TMP. You might have to update them.
I have it for the this stuff like username. I just don't have it. I think I do. I'm pretty sure. Wait, so should I? What do I drag in? Do I drag in the text or do I drag in the parent?
You have to tag in the username, because the username is the input. No, no, the user, the parent.
Okay, okay.
Have that one. Yeah, that's not a TMP. So you need to edit your script.
Wait, this is
Go to script.
yeah, okay. But it says TextMesh Pro.
Mm, no, no, scroll down. Wait. Oh, sorry. Go one before after, I mean, after username. The input field. Is that your input field?
Yeah.
Ah, yeah. That's the one we need to drag.
Okay.
Uh, yeah.
So this is under what again? Is it game info?
I think
Right?
so. Yeah. Hold up.
Yeah.
So just erase the PNP stuff.
Okay, I don't have anything for bike, so
Okay, you can just ignore that.
info. Wait, info text? What's that?
Info text is just the text. It's just a debug text. Um, it's just to say, oh, you're connected. Oh, you have to disconnect it.
Okay, so do I have to drag anything in there?
It's gonna give you an error if you don't. But we can comment it out. Go to your script and we can comment it out.
Okay.
Yeah, just double slash on. Hold up. Uh, 18 info text. Yeah, just double slash, and then
And
everywhere
then
where
can
you
I
just double
okay.
slash.
Okay, and oh okay, and then can I also comment out the bike stuff or should I not worry about it?
Yeah, you should comment out the bike. You're not using the bike. Yeah, comment. You have to comment out the whole line, the whole if and else.
Okay, should I just comment out this whole thing then? Or
No. You need the whole thing. Just highlight from 78 to 86. So from there. Press K and then C. Control K and then C. Control K and Control C. Or
wait, control A and then P?
C. C as in cat.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, if you highlight all of them and then it's gonna comment it out
Okay.
for you. Control K and then C. There you go. I think you might have another error. Ah, yes. Line number 50.
Line number 50.
Yeah. No, sorry. Sorry. So, never mind.
Okay. Okay, and then that works. Is that it?
I think so. Yeah, that should be it. Press play and see if you get any errors. Okay, good. So now you have another null. Why is this null? Oh, you don't have a room player prefab.
Okay.
Stop playing.
Wait, so do I have to go to lobby for that or?
No. Oh, can you click on your room player prefab? It says game object player info two. What is that? On your inspector. It's the
Oh,
left.
this?
Yeah, what is that? Yeah, click on that. Where'd you get that from?
I have no idea. Game object player info 2.
That game object that's there. Yeah, is it oh, it looks like you have some errors with that game object. Can you double click on that game object?
Yeah,
Okay,
it is.
so yeah, can you remove that player info field? Change it to player info.
Wait, what?
Add component. Player info.
No, this is player info.
So how come
It's,
you don't have player info then?
no, this is player info too. Like it's the same thing, I'm pretty sure. I don't know why I named it two. I think it's because I had one earlier.
Oh, okay. Why is it not loading then?
I do not know.
You copy and paste this from
From the yeah, the
Oh, yeah. Then check your class name.
I'm pretty
Mine
sure I
says
changed that when I first put it in. Yeah, I did. Oh, it's because it's okay.
that's
I
so
want
different.
yeah.
I think there's more errors. Go down.
It says no issues.
Oh,
Okay. So ready button. Wait. What?
yeah. You don't have to. Remember, I told you you don't have to put those in. The only thing
Okay.
you need to define is your cars and your bikes. Save. Make sure you
Okay.
define
Okay, so I have to define
something. Yeah. So there it says zero selection, zero on bike selection, and then
zero what?
it says selection.
Selection. Okay. So I have is it like how many options? I have four
Oh, sorry.
options.
Yes, yes, yeah. How many options? Yeah.
Okay.
And just press enter, and then click and drag all your options in there. Oh, I'm sorry. That's the wrong one. What am I doing?
Oh no,
Oh,
it's inside. It's
yeah, it's
inside.
that. Uh-huh.
Okay, so then
Click and drag all
uh,
your cars. Make sure they're in the correct order.
yeah. Okay.
That should be it because you don't have bikes, so that's fine.
Okay.
All right, go back to your thing. And now go to your lobby scene. I want to see your hierarchy. Okay. Can you click on canvas? Get panel two. Okay, where's player one?
Wait, what do you want to look for?
Uh, so your players should be, each one should have one, or all the information that is going to go for one player has to be under the same one parent. So that is player one, and then player two is going to have all their information so on and so forth.
Okay, so
So
that means this one can be like player one then, I guess. Because it's the first one.
okay, so wait, that one says player connecting. What's underneath player connecting?
Oh, the image. Oh, the text and then the image. Like the image is the background, the borders.
Okay, so where's the not ready part?
Not ready is different. It's over here.
Okay, so like I said, you need to make one parent for that one player. So that parent has to include the picture, has to include the
Okay.
player connect, and then not ready. So just make an empty game object and just drag all the parts in one
Okay.
object.
Why can't I scroll down?
At the end. It has to be under panel, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah. So create empty. Yeah, and then that is gonna just call it like player one, and then drag all the player one's parts in there.
Okay, so player one. So this thing. Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
and also the car.
And also what?
That picture, the black picture on the left hand side, the player card.
Oh yeah. Wait. Player cards. Okay. So should I? They should be deleted from this. Okay, that's
Yeah,
easy.
I'll do the rest.
Then if I do that, will it work then?
Not yet. You have to structure it. You still have to do some structuring.
Okay. Player one.
All right. So does anyone have any other questions, Gavin or Benjamin? Benjamin, does yours work if you try to press play? Oh, you're in the wrong scene, buddy. Stop playing. Go to scene. Yeah, and open up title scene. Nice. Oh, but everything's smushed. Okay. Can you make your project folder thing smaller? So move your mouse down. The edge between the scene and the project panel. Yeah, and click and drag it down. No, no, you were like, you see how the mouse changes icon when you get to the edge of project and scene? Yeah, click and drag it down. Yeah, perfect. Uh-huh. Yeah, there you go. All right, now click on game. You see how it says scene in the game, asset store and animator up there, up to the right. Yeah, so game, game. Okay, okay, that looks good. Now click on scene again. No, next to game. Yeah, okay, now it looks better. Now press play. All right, let's see it. Let's see it. Set a new username. Bar. Get a bite. Okay, and then you want to host. Okay, well, so you do have an error. No, you don't want to connect. The error is you see on the bottom it says lobby scene cannot be found because we haven't built the game. So stop playing. Stop playing. So yeah, click file and then edit. File, so top left, all the way in the top left. It says file. That is the right file, top left. Yeah. Build setting. Okay, and then we're gonna add our three scenes. So click on add open scene. Okay, that's the first one. And now open up your lobby scene. So just move this a little bit to the right. Oh, okay, good. I just yeah, that's good. And then click on track one. Yeah, and then add. Okay, perfect. All right. All right. So now let's close build settings and then press play again. Oh, make sure you go to the title scene. Yeah, close this. You're gonna need it. Yeah, go to the title scene. Yeah, press play. And now try it again. Okay. So good. So now it says hosting. Now you're waiting. Now can you go down just a bit, or you can't see that? You gotta be. Can you press the button? Okay. Well, yeah. Now you can see that you can ready up. You just need to fix your size. Okay, that's fine. Okay, so let's stop playing and let's enable just single player mode. Well, not single player mode. Sorry, playing with your just one player. So stop playing. Okay. Now click on your game manager on your hierarchy. Okay. Let's scroll down on your inspector, and we are going to click. Scroll down. Keep going down. Okay, right there. You see how it says min players two? Min players. Yeah. Instead of two, just put one. Yeah. just press play, and then it should work. All right, do it again, and then see if you can load the scene. Okay, and just click ready. Yeah, and now you're able to do it again. Okay, all right. So we're good here, right? Yeah. All right. So, Parasher, did you finish your stuff?
Yeah.
Take a look. Um, okay. So we have. Okay, and then our lobby scene should have all four players on it. So what's under lobby? What's lobby
Lobby's just the title.
title? Okay. Can you make one parent for all the players, or like call it like players, then put all the players in that? Okay. Now for each player. Okay. So each player, do you open up player one? See what okay. So you have some backgrounds going on. Can you drag the image inside your player connecting thing?
No, because then it like goes behind it.
Okay. Okay, so you just have to parse out the stuff. Okay. All right. Open up your script. Your player info script. Yeah, you're on it. Hold up. Hold up. Okay, there. No, too fast. Down. Keep going. Keep going down. Okay. So line 44. So here instead of finding lobby, right?
Hello? Oh, I think it glitched out for a second.
Oh, sorry. Okay, so change this from lobby to players. Because remember that's the
Please.
name of the parent of all the players.
Okay.
Okay, now the next thing is we need to change the child. So you see where it says get child one and get child two on 48 and 49? Yeah, so you need to change that child instead of one and two. Let's go back to Unity and see what number they are. So we're looking for the wait for player. So that one, it's yeah, the down one. So we have image that's zero. Next one is one. So this is the one we want to change, right? Yeah. Can you go into the inspector and scroll down? Wait, why is this a button?
Is it a button? Oh.
You can just drag your text out. Click on the arrow and just drag your text out. Yeah. Click and drag it up. Yeah, and then delete player connected. And then rename the text PNP to player connected. Okay, so that's child number one. So let's go back to the script. And then, yeah, so that's correct. So we have child number one, text waiting for player. Good. And then the second one is set active false. So this one is your ready. So the text that says ready.
Yeah, I think this is the button too.
Yeah, can you check it out? We're only dealing with text. So.
Okay, and then is that okay for the?
Sorry, I didn't hear you. Yeah. So this is 0, 1, 2. This is child number 3. So let's go back and then change this to 3 instead of 2. Yeah, perfect. Okay, now let's scroll down.
Oh,
Yeah. Okay, so here we have child 1 for username. That is correct. And we have child 3, not child 2. So change 57. Yeah, change it to 3. Perfect. And then I can't see. Okay. So then we have get child 2 and then get child 2. So those two should be 3 because you're changing the text to ready and then changing the color to green. Yeah. Same thing with the other two, with the not ready and color red. Scroll down. Okay. So this one, the bike selection doesn't really matter, but so this one we're looking for the image sprite, the image thing. So let's go back to Unity and let's see what number that is, what child number. So
that's the third one, right?
no, it's not that one. Because that's I think that's
This,
your border.
this is the border, so it's this one.
Yeah,
This
that
is
one.
the
So what number child is that?
one.
No, it starts
Wait,
with
so
zero.
would this count as a child?
Yeah. So that's the first child, player 1.
You know, like this image.
Oh no, that doesn't count. It's only the child
One.
that are
So 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth.
0, 1. You start at 0. When you count, you start at 0.
Okay, so 0, 1, 2, 3.
Why'd you skip ready or not?
Wait, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, so it's still 5.
5? Okay. So change it to 5 on the script. So get child, no, the last one with the bike selection.
Okay.
5, and then
What's this?
the last one. Yeah, perfect. Okay. Save it. And let's run it and see how it looks like. Make sure you go to your titles.
Okay, there we go.
Oh, okay. Remember, you have to also do these changes to the other players. So whenever you're done, that's not you have to do it to all the players.
Oh, yeah, okay.
But
Okay.
right now, we'll just do player 1, just to test things out.
Yeah, I think it works, but wait.
There's an error. It's just something's not okay. There's text. Oh, do you have Text Mesh Pro on this? Right, you do.
Why
Go to
can't
your
I?
lobby. Go to the lobby. Yeah. Go to the canvas. Go to player 1.
Excuse me. Um,
Players.
okay. And then the which text again? This is the player connecting text, right?
Yeah, so this Text Mesh Pro.
Um,
Error again. Double click the error.
Wait, if this is that, shouldn't it be, isn't it the second child? Is that what it is?
No, this is child one. The first one is zero, and this one's one.
Oh, okay. Hmm.
Should be player child one. You go back to Unity. Can you double click that problem? Oh, I know what it is. I think it's because it's going through all the players, and you don't have it. You don't have it set up correctly. So yeah, you have to. Can you click all your players?
Yeah, I'll do that. Wait, but shouldn't this work too?
Yeah, it's not gonna work because the script crashes, so it doesn't finish anything.
Okay.
So you need to
I
fix
have
it.
someone on the screen.
Yeah, go to your lobby scene and fix all your players. While you do that, Benjamin, does everything work? Here, Benjamin. Does everything work? You wanna type some stuff?
Wait, this is okay, right?
Sorry?
The image is okay, right? By itself.
Yeah, the image is okay by itself.
Okay.
Just type in a username, Benjamin. I just want to see it work. So let's fix this problem where your screen is not able to see the button. So stop playing. No, that back button doesn't work yet. Okay, can you click on your the game tab? So next to your screen. Game tab. Yeah. Okay. Can you click on aspect? Free aspect. It's right below the game tab. No, no, don't close it. Just click. Just click on the. Just click on the. Get out of the menu. Okay. Now click on free aspect next to display one. No, no, it's right below game. It's right below the game tab. Right there. The game. Right below game. Right there. Yes. Change it to 16 by 9. So 16:9. Yeah. And then what else is there? Click on that again. Okay. Now go back to your lobby scene. Go to your lobby scene. Okay. Now scroll out. Oh, actually, click on your scene. Sorry, click on your scene and then scroll out. Scene tab. Okay, you see how your button is not in position. So click and drag your button into right place. No, no, don't do that. Okay, click on player one on the hierarchy, or you can do that. It's lazy. But your things are not gonna show up though. When it says ready, those things are not gonna show up. So undo it. Nice. Yeah, somewhere around here. Click on player. Click player one. But that's not my screen. That's part of the
It's coming from Parstar.
Yeah, that's not
What
my screen.
happened?
Oh, he's seeing your screen, but I'm telling him that.
Oh, okay.
No, no, go back to the game.
I don't know what you're saying.
No, no, I said click on player one. Click on player one under lobby. No, no, player one on your on your hierarchy. Yeah. Good. And now press W.
What?
Press W to move. W. Press W. Press W. Okay, now you can move the whole thing. There you go. Move it a little bit to the left. Keep going because the not ready thing is gonna pop there. So if you want to see the not ready, stop moving it. And now click on. Hold on. On the left hand side, you see it says ready text and it's grayed out.
Yeah.
Yeah, click on that and then click on the check mark on the right hand side on the ready text all the way on top, all the way on top. This is next to the name. This is the check mark. Ready text.
What?
On the inspector, yeah, right next
Oh
to the
my.
name is a check mark, not that one, the other one. That one. Okay, you see how it says not ready and doesn't fit? So make sure it fits.
How do I make it fit though?
Like that, that's fine. Yeah, that looks good. Make sure you do the changes to everyone.
Oh no.
Wait, why is this a box now? What? does it become a box?
I keep hearing background noises.
Wait, wait.
Pretty low. Yeah,
Yeah,
I guess for is not like really low.
it's kind of quiet sometimes, but it's okay.
Right. 'Cause I see you guys like putting volume to like 100. I'm like, whoa.
Fernando, I have a quick question. So I had a problem with my image and I figured out what it was. But when I come here, wait, are you seeing my screen right now?
Um, now I am.
Okay, so so this is a problem because it replaces that, and I know what to do to fix it, but when I take this out, it like becomes a box. The grape section becomes a box. Like I don't know why. I don't know how that works.
You press it back and stuff.
What's the sorry? What's the
Mm,
data?
mm, mm, mm,
Hello, Fernando?
Yeah, I'm hearing you.
Yeah, so like I don't know why it becomes a box when I take out the sprite. Because it should be in this image, not in
What's
this image.
this thing? Oh,
Oh, I think you might have it confused then. That image isn't that your car image?
Yeah, so this should be the car image. Yeah, that's what I messed up. So this should be the
Oh,
sprite, the UI sprite. But then this is the border, but I don't know why I can't take it out.
okay. So this one has to be before the image. So the yeah the order matters. So click on the this yeah.
Okay, and if I take it,
Is that what
no,
you're
it's
looking
still
for?
becoming a box, like the
What?
corner.
Okay. Because
I
the
don't know why.
black okay the black thing. Click on the last image. Uh, yeah. See that one doesn't have a sprite.
Yeah, it doesn't. I know, I have to add that, but
So isn't that where your car is supposed to be?
yeah, and I have that now. But my question was like, when I take out this sprite from the border becomes this like pointy corner. Like the corner becomes pointy for some reason, and all of them are like that too. I don't know why.
Well, the reason why because the UI sprite is circular. That's why it does have that.
Oh, okay. So now will it like default to this one? Will the sprite actually go to this image?
Yeah. So your car is gonna change to that image.
Yeah, okay.
Shouldn't color shouldn't be black. It should be white. Or else your car you won't see it. Yeah. Because to test it out, click and drag one of your fingers into the sprite instead of the source image being UI sprite. Yeah. Yeah, that's what's gonna pop up.
Okay.
See, if you change the color to black, it's gonna simply
Okay, okay.
be white. Are you ready to test it out?
Yeah, I'm gonna test it. Okay, so it works up till here, but then I don't even know what this is. Oh, what the?
So you gain sprite.
Wait, what are these random? I don't even know what these buttons are. When do we make these?
So that's a part of the UI. That's just the basic UI. We can you can just ignore them for now. Right now, it's just debugging there.
Mhm.
But we,
Okay, but shouldn't it show my name, the
yeah,
username?
have.
So it should
Um,
say ACF.
okay, there is a problem in your script. So stop playing.
Okay.
Just open the terminal or the
Mhm.
console. Right? Scroll up.
Whoa.
Uh, oh, you don't have a ready up. Then you don't have a back button. Can you create a ready button? Just create a button called ready.
Just make a button called ready
Yeah.
over here.
Anywhere in the UI on the canvas, just click ready.
Wait, I'm confused. Wait, so what am
Or
I
just
supposed to do?
copy your back button. Just make a ready button. Just call it ready. It's for to ready up.
Okay. So back button. And it should just be called ready.
Yeah.
Ready up.
Just call ready.
Okay.
So, okay,
Guys, well, I have two readies now. It's this. Just image. Okay. And so do I have to change anything in the script or no?
something works.
Yeah, okay. Wait, so we don't have to tag it, it'll just find the name of it? Is that what it is?
Yeah. You're just by name.
Oh, okay. That should work. Okay, so
Try, can you hear me?
yeah, I can hear you, but it's still pretty quiet.
Because it's still pretty quiet. Uh, okay.
Wait, I can do something. Wait. That's
Cancel
just
that. So, uh,
okay. So
okay. So it looks like you have a problem. Click on your layer. Looks like you hit the back button. Oh, just hold the back button back.
wow. Okay.
Make sure you stop playing.
Is that it? Is there anything else I can fix now?
I think that's it.
Okay, so looks like it works. This works, I guess, but it doesn't show the name. And this red. Oh, this ready is actually there too. I just have to bring it out somehow.
Yeah, you still have an error though. So look at the errors.
It should work. It's right there.
Try rerunning it again. I didn't see what the.
Wait, I can't hear anything now. No, I still can't. I can barely hear it. Like,
Okay, hold on.
hello.
Now can you hear me? Is that better?
Barely, barely, barely.
I need to fix this isolator, but you can still hear me, right?
Yeah, I think I can.
Okay. Well,
Yeah, now it's good. Now it's good because I turned it up all the way.
okay. Yeah, I need to fix my mic. Okay. Let's rerun it again. I need to see what's going on because I didn't see what the press play. Press play. I just want to see like the process. Okay. So we can do that. You don't have to type in the night. Use your hosting.
Okay, so here,
So there's no errors there.
yeah.
Can you click on lobby? Oh, can you click on your game options clone? Um, player name is not being saved. Okay, so that means it is working, but it's not saving a player name. Okay, let's stop playing. It looks like it's a script problem. Can you go to player info? Is it player info? It's game info, sorry.
Game info. Where do I go in game info?
Oh, scroll all the way down. Okay, so you have username, text, save it. Okay, that's good. So that's working. Go to player info. Player info too.
Could it be because it's camel casing? Because mine is not camel casing.
Well, first no, because this is setting a string called the username. So
Okay.
this is fine. Go to player info too. Yeah. And then scroll down. Scroll down. Okay. Hold on. You went this one too much. Go up. Wait, wait. So here we have on start authority. We have player prefs get username. Okay, so that's correct. Let's see here. Here's the transaction. So you scroll down. Let's scroll down. Yeah, it should actually work. Let's scroll all the way up. Okay, we have our player name. Is not handle. Yeah, everything should work. That's weird. Scroll down. Right there. Try saving the script. Maybe that's the problem. Okay, go back.
Actually, okay, so should I play?
Yeah.
No, it doesn't show it.
Click on your game object phone. Can you click on the lobby? Yeah. Click on camera, panel two, players. Okay. On player one. Okay. Go to player two. Okay. Can you go back to for player two? Yeah. Scroll up. Can you scroll all the way down? Scroll up just a bit. Join up. To get to your command.
Until I get where?
To the command. Scroll up. Yeah. Can you go back to your game info? Oh. Select. Maybe it's not right. Can you go back and check your stop playing.
Is it because the input field is called input field? I don't know.
Yeah. No. Can you click on your game manager? Game manager. So your drop down, is that the correct drop down? So sorry.
It should be.
The input field. The username input field.
Yeah, it is.
Can you click on it? Can you change the value of the input field just to double check?
Whoa. The value?
Yeah, scroll down and then
Down here?
it doesn't have a value. Let me double check that.
Oh, what?
Can you press play? Okay, can you type something in your username and then out if it actually
And then what?
is changing? Okay, it is changing. So if you see the component on the input field, it says text, and then everything you type, it changes. It actually changes to that.
Yeah,
Uh,
it does.
oh, okay. I think I might know the problem. Stop playing. Click on your next button.
Oops.
I think you're not recording your stuff.
Huh?
Your next button. Okay, scroll down. Yeah, so perfect. Yeah, exactly. You have it. Press play. Press plus. You need to
It's
change
not playing.
what?
It's not playing.
Oh no, no, I know. I said press plus.
Press what?
The plus button.
Oh, plus. Oh, I thought you said press pause. Okay.
Yeah. And then click and drag your game manager inside the non-game object. So drag your game manager. Yeah. There. Okay, go to the function and go to game info and set settings.
Set.
Settings.
Wait, that's settings. Okay.
Yeah. That. There you go. And that should work. Now you can press play.
Yeah, it worked.
Perfect. Yeah, you want recording your stuff. Okay, good. Now your buttons work. Perfect.
Okay.
That should work also for your yeah. So if you click on ready, I think your ready button should work soon.
This ready here, right?
So button all the way top right.
No, but it takes me to the game.
Oh yeah, but okay. So I guess you have to have a two-player minimum in order to see that.
Yeah.
Yeah. So stop playing. Just change the game manager to two players, and then you should be able to see that.
And then what do I do?
Game manager, yeah, and then scroll down, and then change the instead of one, two, so minimum, yeah, and do it again.
Make it 4?
Two, make it two.
2. Okay.
Yeah. Minimum amount of players.
Okay, so here.
Click on the no, not that button.
Ooh.
That oh, I think that button has something on it. You have to remove it. So stop playing. Yeah, I think it's loading the lobby again. Yeah, go to your lobby screen and then that
Oh, sorry. Go to lobby.
the lobby screen. Or go to the ready button and then remove all the functions on that ready button. Go down. Yeah, you don't need it. You don't need it.
Remove both.
Yeah, remove it. Remove it. Yep. And now go back to your title scene and then press play.
Here. Okay, so it changes, but it doesn't show up as green. Like,
The
I mean,
reason why I think it's because your color is black. Click on the lobby. Yeah, click on here. Yeah.
and this should be right here.
Ready. Yeah, you click code. Go down.
No, this is ready. Where's ready or not ready?
Oh, the ready. Yeah, that one. Oh,
Oh, no, it's in play. No, I'm wrong. Should be here.
okay.
So it shows it as green, but then the
Oh,
image, I think.
you have a color gradient. That's why. So it's blending both colors.
Okay.
Yeah, uncheck the gradient. Color is it? Yeah, okay.
Okay.
And then press cancel on the button again. Yeah, there you go.
Awesome. Okay. Cool.
Yeah, you just have to remove the gradient. All right, so that's just you. You need to fix all the little lines.
Yeah.
Okay, sounds good. All right, Benjamin, is your tour? Come here, Benjamin.
Yeah.
So did you fix your placement for everything?
What?
Did you fix the placement for your project, your lobby?
Yeah, I kind of did.
Okay. All right. Press play. I want to see it.
Okay.
Make sure you go to the credit.
I don't know.
Okay. It's just a little bit off. You see the not ready, and then the square. You have to make it a little bit smaller.
But then this is like still the orange one.
Yeah. Yeah. So that we haven't done yet. We're gonna do that. The next class. Actually, I think next Saturday would be the last class of this project. And then we're gonna present it. Oh, yeah. I forgot to tell you guys. We're presenting the project. So, um, just like you guys normally do at the Python Box, is make slides and say this and this, and then present the project.
Okay.
All right. Yeah. So that's this one, Benjamin. The color of the actual car when you play, that we're gonna work on next time, and then
Okay.
finish it up by Saturday, and then present it. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Sounds good. Do you guys have any questions before we disconnect?
No.
Okay. Awesome.